Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to see how to integrate Ed.ai with your Google Classroom environment through our integration partner, Edlink. We are going to switch between our required IT configurations documents we sent you, your Google Admin Console, and Edlink. So before we start, keep in mind that you must be a Google administrator to complete this integration process. If you are an admin, please make sure you have access to that app access control page right here, because if you cannot log into it with the credentials assigned by your school, you will need an admin with additional privileges to perform that integration for you. Let's now start. We can open that IT configurations document and click on that onboarding link right here. It has taken us to Edlink. We can click Get Started, skip this step, agree to the terms, and continue. So here I already have a bunch of schools and districts created for my demos, but you will click Create a New District and search for the name of your school or district by typing it into a search bar. So I'm going to click on Ed.ai district for today, select Google for my data source, and we're going to choose United States to store our data. Click on continue, and let's have a look at that first box on the configuration page right here. We can click to copy that client ID and then click to open Google Workspace Security. So it's taking me to the Google Admin Console where I can click on Add New and paste that client ID in the matching field right here. I'm going to switch back to Edlink, and we're going to click to copy that scopes link, paste it right here into the box in Google Admin and click on Authorize. So we just added Edlink as an API client. We can now switch back to Edlink, click on Continue, and check out that second box right here. Click to copy the client ID and access App Access Control by clicking on the first link in the box. I'm going to click on Configure New App and paste the link we just copied. Click on Search. Edlink is showing up. I can click it. Here I'm going to select the first option, all in, and then the name of your organization. Mine is Ed, ED, but yours will be different. I'm just going to click on the first option and continue. Here I can click on Trusted, continue, and click on Finish. Edlink is showing up here as a configured app. I can switch back to Edlink, click on Continue, and then click on Connect. So here you're going to sign into Edlink by clicking on Continue, and then allow access. You can now click on Validate Configuration. You can now click on Continue Setup. Here you can skip data enrichment for now. And that is it. Your integration with Edlink is complete. When you reach that point, do not forget to send us a list of all the teachers who are going to use Ed.ai. You can send it to support@ed.ai, and our team will open access for those teachers and their students. They will receive a confirmation email and be able to log in. Remember, it can take up to a few hours. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and have a pleasant experience on Ed.ai.